Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these items at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And if you like this item you see today, all you got to do is click the link right now, add it to your cart, check out. They'll ship this off to you fast. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. So here we go. Well, get it inside, see what it is. But there we go. Cut this open in 2 pieces. Rip it open. Dun 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 dun. Nothing else in here. This is coming from my good friends over at Miracase. Car phone holder. Oh, cup phone holder. So this is just a basic one without the air vent. So this is a normal style package. So in case you guys need this one, this is the cup holder. Miracase. Fit all 4-inch to 6.5-inch phones. Thicker cases and other devices from 2.1, 4.1 inch wide. Oh, nice. One-hand operation. 360-degree rotation. Miracase. 360 rotatable design. Works with thicker glass or cases. One-hand operation. Alright guys, let's get into it. Cut time. There we go. That was easy. We'll hop in the car. Yeah, the car is not going anywhere today, so sorry about that, guys. There we go. And I got the iPhone in the car already from the last video, so there's a manual. We don't need a manual. Easy to install. This is the one to get. Perfect for any stocking stuffers for this holiday season coming up. Birthdays, buy yourself one, your boss. Perfect for any DoorDash deliveries, Grubhub, Instacart, and all that good stuff now they have going on. This is perfect for vlogging. I don't recommend vlogging while driving, but you know, if you pull over the side of the road, stuff like that, that's fine with me. But not while driving, guys. Pay attention to the road. We got 3 of these replacements. Adhesive. We got the main. Well, this is one of the mains. This is a holder. Case for it. Really nice. One touch. Yeah, we're gonna juice it up. And they got the extender. Maybe not this time. Nope. No extend. Oh, it's one touch right here. Okay, dokie. Nice design. Alright. Let's take a look at the cup holder. Pretty standard. Got the pump action. And then this is for this part. You can extend it as far as you want. As big as your cup holders, you could extend it for truck drivers, especially. Not sure if they have cup holders for pilots, so maybe. I haven't been on an airplane in a long time, so I don't know. But there you go. Like, you could replace these easily, so that's why they came with 3 extra ones. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 there. See, and then this will be to lock it in. There you go. It's locked in. Ready to roll. This is to adjust all that good stuff. And for easy install, all I gotta do is have some fun. Be safe on the roads. There you go. And lock it in. Whatever part you want it to lock in. So the USB goes. Go boom. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Ha! Gotta push it. Lock. Hold it. There you go. Push. cool. Figure that out. Oh. Oh la la. Okay, see that? Close it. There's a push button right here. Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Really cool. Right back at you. Awesome, awesome. So definitely check these guys out. We're going to jump in the car. Not go for a ride this time, but show you how it holds. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back in the car. We got this thing going on. Really cool. Here's the other one they got with the air vent charger. So we got that. There's a cup holder. Fits right in. Yeah, I might have to adjust it really a second. Hold on one. There we go. See, I had to use the adjusting thing right there. Got them extended out a little bit. Didn't fit the first time. And then now we're going to put the phone on. There we go, guys. The phone is on the iPhone. Really nice. So definitely, guys, if you need a new cup holder for your phone, this is a perfect one to get. There we go. It fits perfect. And like I said, my cup holders are a little different, so you can swivel. There's a rotation. Have it, and then take it off. And you got the touch right here. There you go. So I can adjust your phone. And there you have it, you guys. Miracase on Amazon. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.